Well, fellas, this is a 2002 Nissan Frontier, and I'm having a problem when I put in gear, make a noise like click. I'm looking for motor mounts, transmission motor mounts, or something loose over there. And last time I replaced my ball joint, the noise disappeared. So a couple weeks later, it started making again. So I noticed that when I replaced the ball joint on my driver's side, the sounds disappear. And then after 3 weeks later, that thing starts doing again. So, and I start to listen like squishy. So I'm decided to change the other side. So, and I'm finding already what is the click is. That is why when I put in gear, that thing just push like, and it sounds really loud inside on the cab. Alright fellas, I hope this helps somebody. Alright, thanks.